The way medical devices contribute to well-being is immeasurable, restoring function, saving loved ones, making modern healthcare possible, and living a normal life. This vibrant and varied industrial segment is perpetually motivated by market competition, regulatory pressures, and ever-changing patient and disease states. Thousands of products are engineered to a high degree at great costs, in the operating room, the hospital bedside, the doctor's office, and the home. From the evidently complex to the seemingly simple, medical devices are evolving. To succeed in this industry, your products must be systems of the highest quality, providing the best possible experiences to practitioners and patients, and deliver the most effective precision healthcare. But innovation isn't easy. In this highly regulated environment, physical testing methods are still at the heart of development and regulatory approval. This physical test-based development is extremely expensive, time-consuming, and puts patients at risk. It also leaves too much about device performance unquantified and limits innovation. Less physical testing and more modeling and simulation can deliver dependable and significant time and cost savings. Dassault Systèmes is already providing simulation with regulatory quality to medical device customers. With the attributes of effectiveness, efficiency, reality, economical advantage, and defensibility, simulation can deliver the most important business values to the industry. With the device mechanical engineering industry process experience, engineers can virtually evaluate the performance of medical devices and optimize them to meet the various safety targets without so much reliance on expensive and time-consuming physical tests. This process enables rapid design, development, and validation of almost any type of medical device or equipment. Wherever device, structural, or fluids engineering is needed, our unmatched portfolio of tools provides simultaneous design and validation of functionality and performance with dependable accuracy. To define, capture, and redistribute best practices and testing certification standards, to eliminate the error and waste in simulation processes and safely democratize them across the development community, and to ensure compliance via integration into quality management systems and records. With SIMULIA's device mechanical engineering industry process experience, manufacturers can be confident of simulation that provides fast, insightful decision support for an accelerated lower-cost development process, and that the burden of managing and maintaining defensible high-quality evidence is adopted by the system and not carried by the practitioner.